And for some perspective here, we would like to bring in Rhonda Peoples-Waters. She is a local defense attorney who has really helped with analysis from the very beginning, not associated, obviously, specifically with this case, but has given us some great insight into how things work here, both when it comes to prosecuting as well as defending someone like Lonna Barton. Thank you again, Rhonda, for being here. Let's just start with what we just heard, in fact, Rich Manti, just about 15 minutes ago say, which is that, that it was not permissible under the terms of the agreement that the state attorney's office, reached with Lonna Barton last January, that they could do much more here. I mean, you look at 20 years for Reuben Ebron and now only 5, and I could see why some people say it's not fair, but it's a lot more difficult than that when it comes to a court of law.
Yes, and we actually just heard from Rich Manti that this case certainly could have turned out much differently. In the Norfleet case down the hall, we see that the stepmother is possibly facing life. So certainly in Lonna Barton's case, it was not in her interest to speak. She understood that there was nothing that she needed to testify to, and I believe that her attorneys expected the maximum, although they of course asked for a more lenient sentence. But for her to receive 5 years in prison, of course, concurrently on the other account, and it will give her credit for time served, certainly is a sentence that is considered to be very favorable and light.
Case, which is the case of a stepmother who is now on trial for murder in the death of her 4-year-old daughter. Her husband has already been convicted in that case. The reason that you bring that up, correct me if I'm wrong, Rhonda, is because this was a case where this stepmom maybe said more than she should early on in this, and now it's coming back to bite her.
Absolutely, and so we see in this circumstance that Lonna and Reuben actually gained benefit from the facts of their case, and Reuben received 20 years in prison and Lonna's going to receive 5. But in the case that we've just spoken about with the Norfleet case, the father was just sentenced and, well, convicted and expected to receive a life sentence, and the stepmother could receive the same. So certainly those facts really show the distinction in the type of case and what the police were able to gain and how the state were able to prove their cases.
So it's interesting, because just devil's advocate here, because I know that people at home are saying, wait, 20 years for one and 5 for the other. She is the mother of this child. The story that we are hearing, of course, from Reuben Ebron is that they were having sex in the other room. They locked this little boy in the bathroom while the bathtub was running, and he drowned. Yet, we hear from Rich Manti talking in court today, the prosecutor in this case, basically saying, hey, there was an abdominal injury to Lonna Barton that could have explained his death. If that's the case, why not get more time for her?
Well, certainly we also heard from Rich Manti that there are numerous people that were around the child at the time of this possible injury. There is no specific timing that they are able to confirm when those abdominal injuries occurred. So the case against Lonna or anyone regarding Lonna Barton would have been very difficult to prove. She pled guilty to child neglect, and that means that at some point she was neglectful in her care of this child as she was the provider. But remember, Reuben Ebron actually was sentenced on an aggravated manslaughter, and that means that his actions actually resulted in the death of this child, and that's the difference between his 20-year sentence and Lonna Barton's 5-year sentence.
Rhonda Peoples-Waters, local defense attorney, joining us. Thank you, Rhonda. And I should point out also that Angela Cora even said that baby deaths, as hard as they are to handle, they are difficult cases, and it all hinges on the evidence. In this case, the evidence just wasn't there. It was he said, she said.